Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Fortnite Error Code 0. The error reads, some locker services are temporarily unavailable right now. Any changes you make to your locker may not be saved. Please try again later. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access their locker in Fortnite. It has been reported even when logging in from a different device. According to our research, the error is a glitch that's affecting many players. It specifically impacts locker services and prevents any changes from being saved. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your console or PC. Once your device reboots, launch Fortnite again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then avoid using the Fortnite shortcut on your PC. Instead, open the Epic Games launcher directly and launch Fortnite from there, and see if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still continues, then check if your Fortnite needs an update. If there is any pending update, install it and check for the error again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.